So there's a couple different ways of making your headers show up here at the top. I'm going to show you the easy way of just changing this header type to just the title, which is a text box here. When we click inside it, we have options including the delete. So we're going to remove that text box, and instead we're going to put the image of our header into this. So we'll go over here to the right. You can see we're on Insert by default. There are lots of things that you can insert into your website. You also have the Pages tab, and you can see that right now we only have Home, and we'll be adding the My Favorite Things here shortly. Let's go back to Insert and Image. I'm going to choose to upload it from our folder. So find your digital portfolio project folder. It will show you the different things that can be uploaded. You can see that I have a couple of different ones here. Different dates will let you know like when you made them. I'll just pick this one right here, my most recent version. And you'll see that it just puts it in there kind of small. We'll need to move it into the header area. Right up here, it's still small. So resizing graphics can be a little tricky at first. We're going to just expand that. You can see how I'm making that side go that way. If I just bring the edge out, then afterwards I might need to make it a little taller. So it's kind of funny the way that works, but that gets your picture that says My Digital Portfolio up there at the top of your home page. Okay, there are other ways, as I said, that are a little more advanced, but this will certainly do the trick. After that, you're just going to tell people what this website is about, that this is your portfolio, your student at data. This is going to be where you put your different projects. You can tell a little bit about yourself. You do that by inserting a text box. This is the default font, and there are a lot of them here. Not all the same ones that we've added to Adobe, but there are certainly, as you know now, some of them that are not going to work very well for reading text and some of them that will. If you have any question about that, then just leave it on Lotto for now. The one thing you have to change is that 11 is just too small for something like this. It needs to be at least 18. So whenever you add a text box, increase that font size, and then you can start typing in right here.